Onam, a vibrant harvest festival celebrated in the Indian state of Kerala, is steeped in fascinating traditions. The festival is renowned for the grand Pookalam or flower rangoli created using a variety of color petals. One of the lesser known facts is that boat races, known as Vallamkali, are a significant part of Onam festivities, showcasing the unity and teamwork of the locals. The traditional Onam Sadhya, a lavish vegetarian feast, includes an array of dishes served on a banana leaf. An intriguing aspect is the legend of King Mahabali, whose spirit is believed to visit Kerala during Onam, symbolizing the bond between the ruler and his people. Kaigutikali, a graceful dance performed by women, and Puligali, a playful folk art depicting hunters and tigers, add to the festive charm. The joyous Tiruvadira dance, showcasing the essence of femininity, is another intriguing element of the celebration. Onam is not only a harvest festival but also cultural extravaganza that reflect the heritage and spirit of Kerala.